Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Cisco, developing applications using Cisco core platforms and APIs, DEVCOR. You can download the complete list of Cisco-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on DevCore is: can you explain the concept of version control and its importance in Cisco DevCore development? Your answer should be version control in the practice of managing changes to code and other files over time. It is essential in Cisco DevCore development for collaboration, tracking changes, and maintaining code integrity. Common version control systems include Git and SVN. Our next interview question is: what is the difference between RESTful APIs and SOAP APIs? And which one is commonly used in Cisco DevCore development? Your answer should be RESTful APIs, that is, representational state transfer, are lightweight, stateless, and use standard HTTP methods for communication, while SOAP APIs, that is, Simple Object Access Protocol, are protocol based and use XML for message exchange. RESTful APIs are more commonly used in Cisco DevCore development due to their simplicity and flexibility. Our next interview question is: how does authentication and authorization work in Cisco DevCore applications? Your answer should be authentication verifies the identity of users or devices accessing an application, while authorization determines the actions or resources they are allowed to access. In Cisco DevCore applications, authentication and authorization mechanisms such as OAuth, JWT, that is JSON Web Tokens, and role-based access control RBAC are commonly used. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the role of APIs in network automation and orchestration in Cisco DevCore? Your answer should be APIs enable programmatic access to network devices, allowing automation and orchestration tools to automate tasks such as configuration management, monitoring, and troubleshooting in Cisco DevCore environments. Our next interview question is: how does CI/CD, that is continuous integration and continuous deployment, fit into Cisco DevCore development? Your answer should be CI/CD is a software development practice that involves automating the process of integrating code changes into a shared repository, that is continuous integration, and deploying code changes to production environments, that is continuous deployment. In Cisco DevCore development, CI/CD pipelines help automate testing, building, and deploying applications, leading to faster and more reliable software delivery. Our next interview question is: can you explain the concept of serverless computing and its relevance to Cisco DevCore? Your answer should be serverless computing, also known as Function as a Service (FaaS) allows developers to deploy code in the form of functions without managing underlying infrastructure. In Cisco DevCore, serverless computing enables developers to focus on writing application logic while the cloud provider handles scalability and resource management. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.